Oh my god. Holy sh! I saw it too early. This is insane. This is insane, dude. Holy. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you once again with another mystery box. This one is a Hypebeast mystery box though, and it is from Soul Steals. It's also a very, very expensive box. This one's coming in at $2,000. So $2,000 worth of Hypebeast mystery stuff. And I say $2,000 worth, but honestly it comes out to a lot more than $2,000 like in actual value, because the whole point of like these Soul Steals hype boxes is that they sell you items in bulk, mystery items of course, and from those mystery items you guys are able to sell it so that you can try to make more money on the competitive market. And speaking about selling items, I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Squarespace. Squarespace is basically an online platform that allowed me to create my own web store, and you guys can do it too. The whole thing with Squarespace is that everything is super easy, and they have like templates and stuff set up, so you guys don't need to know web design. You guys don't need to know the intricacies of like how to create a web page. It's just very, very easy. I've been using Squarespace now to run my own store for quite a long time, well over a year now. So yeah, we'll get into that in a bit though. But first, let's open up the box and see what we can actually sell on Squarespace. Like I was saying, this box is from Soul Steals. I would highly recommend you guys check out their Instagram at Soul Steals. They have a whole bunch of updates and they give you guys like sneak peeks into what's like dropping online. But yeah, I'm super excited for this. The last mystery box that we opened was actually that $3,000 beater box, which if you guys watched it, it was freaking insane. If you guys haven't watched it, I'll link it somewhere up top over here. But yeah, that one was wild. Hopefully we got the same kind of rush in this one. It is gonna be a little bit different. That one was sneakers only. This one is gonna be more Hypebeast stuff. And honestly, from like feeling this box, there's no shoes in here. So I'm assuming it's all clothes. It's like very, very light. So let's see what we got. $2,000 Soul Steals hype box. Okay, $2,000. Oh my god. Holy sh! We have an item in here that is probably worth $2,500 by itself. $2,500. This is insane, dude. What the? This can't be. Oh my god, dude. I'm gonna complete the set. Okay, let's get into what we can see, because I'm like freaking out. So we're just gonna jump into it. This is obviously not the $2,500 item that I was talking about, but it is like a Supreme breathalyzer thing. I guess apparently if you guys drink, you are able to use this on yourself to check your alcohol level, I guess. I don't know. I feel like this is a good thing for people that drink heavily. Also, if you guys do drink, always remember to like catch an Uber or like a Lyft or something, man. Don't drive at all. Yeah, take care, man. I don't want any of the Ohana to like something bad to happen to you guys, basically. So this one does say Supreme on it though, so I'm assuming it means there's a lot of value on here. I don't know. Counter over here says what it is. I'm not worried about this. I know where all the money is. Let's get to it. I don't want you guys to see, man. Can you guys see? I don't want you guys to see early. That thing is crazy in there. Anyway, the next thing out is we got a pair of like Levi denim. This is interesting, man. I don't know. It looks huge. What size is this? This one is a size. So this is a size 34 waist. I can't fit a 34. And I don't know how much the resale is on this. You guys can see over here, it says Levi and has like Supreme, for Supreme on the back. Also inside here, you guys can see Supreme as well. But other than that, there is like no markings on this thing. I hope that these things aren't used. I can't tell. But yeah, we'll see if this one flies on StockX. I'm hoping that it can sell because yeah, I can't fit a 34, unfortunately. That's a little bit too big for me. But yeah, second item. Whatever the value is what it is. I'm not worried about that. This is all pure profit. You guys are gonna be freaked out when you see this, trust me. This next one is a liquid swords tee. I'm gonna put the picture up of what it looks like unfolded and stuff on screen, because yeah, if you guys have it in a bag, obviously like the buyer, because I'm not gonna keep this. I didn't really feel this design. The buyer would like it in the bag because it gives it a sense of like authenticity. Anyway, I don't know what the value is of that. Again, it's pure profit at this point, so it is what it is. We got like a liquid swords beanie. I don't know what liquid swords is. I think that's the same thing as a shirt though. So whatever liquid swords is, it's a beanie. It says Supreme on the back over here. Yeah, you guys are probably gonna call me out for not knowing what that is if it's something super hype, but honestly, I'm not gonna lie and pretend like I know what liquid swords are. Anyway, we have reached the final item in the box. I know exactly why it was so light now when I was feeling it. This item is something that we've gotten in the past, but it's a different colorway. Do you guys want me to give you hints, or should I just open it up? I'll just open it up. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, dude? Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. We got freaking 2 of these things now. two of them, man. We got the black one and we got this red one now. Two things that I can pretty much never wear in my life because it's super hot in Hawaii, but man, if you want to flex on those kids, you gotta be wearing the By Any Means Necessary Supreme North Face collab, dude. Let me take this out of the bag to show you guys. It looks exactly like that black one, but this one is in red. So you guys can see over here, By Any Means Necessary. It does have the tag on here, North Face. Over here, you can see that North Face Supreme on the sleeve. Iconic as it comes. Red stuff from Supreme usually sells the best, so I believe that this one is worth more than the price of the box. Like, this is way more rare than any box logo. Well, there's some very rare box logo hoodies, but this is for the most part way more rare than most of them. The vast majority of box logos, you'd rather have this than have a box logo. So yeah, this is freaking insane, dude. I never thought I would own one of those in my life. I have two of them now, and it's in multiple colorways, which is super sick. It would have been cool if I got the same black one, but that's insane that I got a different colorway of like that same model. So I guess that means I need to complete the set. I'm not gonna complete this set. I think the yellow one is the last one. I think it's yellow. But yeah, these things go for a lot of money. I typically never look at the price of the item on screen, but I do want to look it up to be exact because I think that it's worth a lot. I know exactly how much that black one's worth. I don't know how much the red one is worth. Yeah, I'll pull it up on StockX right now. This is... Come on, man, come on. So this is where it gets confusing because if you guys see on screen over here, it says $3,996 is the lowest ask. Freaking $4 grand. $4 grand is the lowest ask on StockX. But if you look at that last sale, it says $1,350. Granted, there was one sold back in August, it looks like, for $3,500. I would get somewhere in the middle of that, so maybe like $2,400 or so. So yeah, like I was saying, $2,400, $2,500. That's insane. That's the whole price of the box. So everything right here is pure profit. Like, what the like, seriously? So clearly I'm excited. I am speaking very loudly. It's very early in the morning over here. I just tried to look at a watch that I don't have, so yeah, clearly I'm not sane right now. I'm not certain if I'm gonna keep anything from here. I got that black one like a long time ago now, and I've just had it kept back there the whole time. Like, it's nice to have, but at the same time, it's like also $2,000 just hanging from a rack. I don't know how it would feel with another 2,000 something dollars hanging on the rack. So we'll see. It's a big investment to hold on to, but I'm not sure if I want to hold on to it. Thankfully though, if I choose not to hold on to it, I can actually sell everything on Squarespace. Like I was saying before, I've been using Squarespace as my go-to web store for the past year, and it's been very pivotal in starting my sneaker resale business, my Hypebeast resale business. And I know a lot of you guys that watch these videos are young entrepreneurs, and you guys need to know, like, it is a great feeling to have your own web store, something that you can call your own, something that it can have your own name, like whatever your Instagram handle name is, on your web store. I think that's super sick. And again, you don't need to be like a rocket scientist to use Squarespace, which is my favorite part about it, because I was very worried that I don't know web design, I don't know how to make this thing look nice, it's gonna be hard to start up. And the thing is, it's not, because Squarespace gives you a whole bunch of templates that are very easy to use, very easy to implement. So if you guys want something more minimalistic like my site, you could use that. Or if you guys want something more complex that looks a lot more like, I don't know, out there, you can choose that as well. And what's even better is that you guys can try it out for free today. If you guys want to check out Squarespace, go down to the link below, click on that. It'll take you guys to Squarespace where you can actually sign up for a 14-day free trial. And after that, if you guys do end up liking the service and you guys do want to end up purchasing Squarespace, which again, I highly recommend. I've kept it for over a year. It's awesome. You guys can get 10% off your order by clicking on that link in the description below. So check that out. Check out Squarespace, man. Check out my own web store on Squarespace, which I've had up on the screen over here. You guys can see like the items and stuff. Everything from today's drop hopefully will be on there already. Again, it takes like seconds. You just take the pictures, put it up on Squarespace, and it is live for the world to see. So it's an awesome site. I would definitely check it out. Highly recommend it. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. A freaking another By Any Means Necessary jacket. This is the reason why I keep going back to Soul Steals. This is the reason why I keep buying these mystery boxes, because we can come up on stuff like this that is just freaking insane. Like, there's no other way in the world that I would ever buy this stuff, like, if it wasn't for Soul Steals. This is probably like the peak for the last bit of 2018. I don't know if another Hypebeast mystery box is gonna beat this before the year ends. That is like one of the greatest Supreme items you can get in any single box. That might be one of like the top 5 most coveted Supreme items ever made. And we got it in this freaking mystery box. Like, come on, man. Like, seriously. Anyway, thank you guys again for watching. If you guys have not already, be sure to subscribe down below. Hit that like button if you guys think this was the best Hypebeast mystery box of 2018. We've got a lot. This one's probably up there, though. But anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!